Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find and open the Appdata folder on your Windows 10 computer, which by default is a hidden folder. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up File Explorer. So if you want to search for it in the start menu, you can. Otherwise, if you just want to select the folder icon on your taskbar, you can open it up that way and select this PC on the left side. Double click on your local disk where Windows is installed on. It should be indicated by a little Windows icon above a hard drive. So go ahead and double click on that. Select the View tab, and then where it says Hidden Items, make sure that's checkmarked. Otherwise, you won't see it in here. But if you do checkmark it, you see now there's a program data folder that will appear. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.